Peace and love, everyone. This is Sister Iman. I am dropping another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the bird flu. It is spreading across Europe and other regions, and I'm going to read this article. Bird flu spreads throughout Europe, other regions. German health officials said Thursday that Europe is experiencing a devastating avian bird flu outbreak affecting wild birds and poultry farms as humans continue to struggle with the C-19 pandemic. The Friedrich-Loeffler Institute, Germany's Federal Research Institute for Animal Health, said cases have been found in Canada, across Europe, and into India and East Asia. We are currently experiencing the strongest avian flu epidemic ever in Germany and Europe. The institute told Germany's news outlet DPA. There is no end in sight. The countries affected range from Finland to the Faroe Islands to Ireland, from Russia to Portugal. The European Center for Disease Prevention and Controls reported on December 22nd that 867 cases of the highly pathogenic avian influenza virus detections have been found in 27 European Union countries and Britain, which had been expanding since October. The observed persistence and continuing circulation of HPAI viruses in migratory and resident wild birds will continue to pose a risk for the poultry industry in Europe for the coming months, the report said. The frequent occurrence of HPAI-A incursions in commercial farms raises concern about the capacity of the applied biosecurity measures to prevent virus introduction. In northern Israel, officials said 5,200 cranes have died of the H5N1 avian flu, while hundreds of thousands of chickens had to be culled to stop it from spreading. Environmental Protection Minister Tamar Zimberg said Sunday the H5N1 outbreak was the most serious damage to wildlife in the history of the country, according to the Washington Post. So that was the article about the bird flu that is spreading across the Europe and other regions. Tell me what you think and leave a comment. What I'm going to do, I'm going to post a link to this article under the video title. I'm going to close it out. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.